So this patio door we're going to be replacing, but again this patio door didn't lock, so I'm fixing this temporarily for the customer who's had a door that hasn't locked for quite a while. So in that previous video I showed you that there was a plate missing here, and when you close the door that plate would push this in, which then allows this to lock. And then if this doesn't get pushed in, it won't lock. So I put something temporarily here, and then it'll push this in, and then the customer can have a door that locks. So we temporarily fixed that, and it's probably been broken for months or years, but now the customer